Hello, dear students. I'm your teacher. My name is Jenny Gonzalez. I'm going to be your English teacher, and this is going to be our new topic. So, before starting our class, you need to click on this link, and then you need to write down your password. And I'm going to send the password in to your emails. So then you get into this part. And here we have the topic that is going to be festivals, celebrations, and foods around the world. This is our English class. Okay, in this part, you're going to see all the things they have uploaded for this activity. And then we're going to go to classwork, and here we're going to have lots of activities for this lesson. So it has celebrations, and then first it has a warm up. In this warm up, we have an activity about festivals and celebrations in Colombia. You're going to watch this video and you're going to answer these questions here in the Google Forms activity. After that, we have another activity. It's another video. This is going to be about celebrations around the world and another Google Forms activity. So you can answer these questions about these 11 festivals. And after that, you're going to see a reading comprehension activity. So in this part, you're going to read a document about different celebrations. There you go. This is really interesting because you will learn a lot. And there, you're going to have a Google Forms activity. So everything is related to the reading. Okay. So after that, you're gonna do a memory game. We designed for you, and we're gonna see how it works. For example, you click on one. Oh, this is not, and then Day of Death, presents, and then St. Patrick's Day. No, so you try to work on this, like playing, or maybe here. No, it is not. Over there, maybe right here, right here, right here. Okay, and in here you have the picture. No. Well, this is what you are going to do. So now we go back to our original classwork, and then we do a listening activity. So here we listen to some people talking about celebrations. And in this part, you need to do some reading activities, and then you need to create about some festivals, but then you need to create your own festival. That's the activity. Well, then we need to start talking about foods around the world. So for that reason, we created another game about vocabulary, foods vocabulary, and ingredients that you're gonna use to teach this lesson. Okay, so the idea is that you match the word and the picture. Okay, so I'm not gonna take more time on it because okay, then you're gonna read something about making a recipe in London, and then here you're gonna watch a video about foods around the world, and then you are going to answer these questions that I uploaded here about this celebrations. Okay. Finally, you're gonna make your project, and your project is about creating a blog or a wiki. And first of all, you need to choose a country in a word, and you need to choose the country, and then you need to talk about the festivals, celebrations, typical foods in that country. You need to make a video. You need to create a Voki to explain what is the blog going to be about. And you have here some links like match memory, and also you have tutorials so you can you know how to make a video in a PowerPoint presentation. You need to upload pictures, and at the end you need to make a video preparing some foods, or preparing one recipe of one important food in that country. So for example, you can choose Mexico, and you need to make a video talking about those festivals. You need to create a match memory game with that vocabulary, and also at the end you need to make another presentation about foods, and finally you need to create, or you need to make a video preparing a food. Also, you need to wear outfits and decorate everything um, with all the decoration about that country. Thank you very much, and this is your work. I hope you enjoy it.